Did you know that you can get the number of unique values from an Excel list using ChatGPT? Yes, ChatGPT can help you to get the number of unique values from a long list in Excel. For example, I have this list of countries in Excel and I want to find how many number of unique entries do I have in this list. For example, we have repeated entries here: USA, China, England, Australia. Again we have USA, England, then we have India, Nepal, then USA, England, USA, China. So we want to get the number of unique values from this list using ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask the question: write an Excel formula to get the number of unique values. Oops, this is repeated. Number of unique values in a list and Excel 2010. I'm mentioning Excel 2010 because I'm using Excel 2010. If you are using the later version of Excel, you do not need to mention Excel 2010 here. So let me hit enter and let ChatGPT give us the formula. So it is giving us this long formula to get the number of unique values, but remember it's referring to A1 to A10, but here we have from A2 to A20. So let's specify the range as well. And sometimes ChatGPT will not give you something that works for you, so for that you need to repeat the process. Let me specify the range here. Write an Excel formula to get the number of unique values from a range of A2 to A20 and a list in Excel 2010. If I press enter this time, now it will give us another formula. So it is giving us this sum and F frequency combinations. It is giving us another function as well. Let's check if these functions work for us. Let me copy it from here, go to Excel and paste it here. Oops, it's not giving us what we need. Let's copy another one. If we copy it from here, paste it here, this also doesn't work. So let's tell ChatGPT that the functions you gave us are not working. So just write it is not working, and then let ChatGPT provide you another function. Okay, it is giving us another suggestion to go to that range, remove the duplicates and do blah blah blah. Okay, it says use this one. Let's use this one as well, and instead of the new range, let's say A2 to A20, and it says that there are 19 values. Yes, it's only counting. We know there are 19, but they are not unique. This also does not work. Give us another formula. Okay, it says wait. Okay, it is just explaining that. So we saw that this is not working, but let's copy it again. Go to Excel, paste it here, and now this one works. It says there are 8 unique values in your list. So let's find them: USA, China, England, Australia. So let's give it a color, yellow color. Okay, USA and England are not unique, but India and Nepal are unique. USA, England, USA, China, England, Australia, USA, Nepal, they are not unique. USA, and then we have Germany and France. Yes, so we have exactly 8 values that are unique in this list. This is how you use ChatGPT's power to work with Excel automation. You can automate any tasks in Excel very easily using ChatGPT. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and comment under this video what you need to know about ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here.